Hey there, welcome back to No Pants Profits and No Pants Live. Well, kind of. The No Pants show. This should be live. Satellite networks are completely hosed, and unfortunately I left my Starlink behind in order to check out Jeffrey Epstein's favorite strip club. So we're gonna do it live to tape. We are at Cocoa Beach, Florida, right by the launch site for Artemis 2. You can kind of see it right there. About 12 miles away from where we are right now. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up in the next 5 minutes or so. I'm not sure. Yeah, next 4 minutes or so. Tried to go live for the last 10 minutes. Not possible, not probable, just completely deadical. Let me take off my battery here. All right, completely deadical. We're gonna see. Wasn't able to get Starlink up and behaving. I don't have my Starlink on me. Went over to check out Jeffrey Epstein's favorite strip club, which is called Cheaters Cabaret. The next few minutes are right over there. There should be a rocket going up. Remember, it was built kind of hastily to go back to the moon for a second time. Between you and me, you watch my videos. Not sure we really went for the first time, but yeah, supposedly. So that's the Starlink one. Oh, when it goes up, oh, there it is. Oh shit, there it is. Like there's something vertical right there. That is exactly what is going up in a couple minutes if it's actually going to happen. You'll see my reaction live. Let's go. We can look both forward and backward at the same time. We're gonna get a little closer. Not even more than a couple feet closer. But we'll go towards the beach. That's definitely it. Right over. I wish kids would stop playing freaking volleyball and all that. Yeah, we're about 12 miles away right here. Trump did not come down for this. As of a few minutes ago, there was a battery issue, battery error, something of that sort. This is the largest single launch from the Earth since got the Apollo rockets back in the day. So, good news is we're catching a little bit higher quality because we're not streaming it. So this is gonna go literally, the window opens in approximately 1.5 minutes. Now there is a 2-hour window, unfortunately, but it opens in about 1.5 minutes. And after that it could go at any time. I don't have a CNN or Fox News or YouTube or anything like that streaming. Let's go that way, but yeah, there she is. Artemis 2, right there. Totally where it's happening. It's right there. In the perfect world, a couple seconds, we'll see that girl go up. There was a battery issue. So what's funny is, strangely funny, is that they have a technical function that will blow up the rocket if it comes over land, because you don't want that landing in normal things. That's why they shoot it out over ocean. That's the Atlantic Ocean right there. We should literally be within a minute of the launch window if it's going to happen. I believe that's it. I don't see anything else vertical. You just only put one thing vertical. Oh, Travis! Well, I'm going to go. I can't go live because the cellular's just hosed. Say hi, Trav!
Hi, Jeff.
Trevor. I should say hi, Trev.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Trev.
Yeah,
So that's it right there, right? The white thing in front of us?
it's hard to tell. I don't think that's Suriname Bravo.
Yeah.
I don't think
But it's got vertical.
Okay, yeah, that's great.
You see, it's got a vertical.
Yeah, maybe it is.
I mean, they don't put more than one thing vertical at a time. What's the current update?
We're on hold.
We're on hold. So what are we holding at?
We're holding up in the air.
So what is the T-minus held at?
I'm looking. No, you get to go for launch at 6:21, but if you keep you about 2 steps. Keep the door down.
What?
There.
Oh, you already got it on?
Yeah, he's working it. I don't have enough internet to even tell you what.
No, it's bad. Yeah, no, I know.
I don't even know.
I mean, this could go any second.
Good.
He's got Starlink set up back there?
Or it's working on it. We should go back there.
Okay, I didn't know where you guys were. Let's go back to Starlink, but I'm gonna walk backwards, so just clear me, because in case something goes down, like mysteriously. How far back do we have to go?
I'll wait.
25 yards?
Bill's coming towards us.
He's bringing Starlink towards us?
Yeah, he's bringing Starlink towards us.
So we're going away from the launch site.
Yeah.
This is very useful.
This is about 3x as fast as the, when they roll the rocket out to the launch pad, except it's a gay-ass top hat instead of
Excuse
a
me,
rocket.
not a gay-ass top hat.
Okay, fine.
It's a fantabulous top hat.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, is Starlink up? What's the name of the network? Work from home. Or work from anywhere. Work from anywhere should be up. Is there stuff coming out the battery? We got the Starlink right there. This could go up at any second. I'm not going live because cellular is just garbage. That's what happens when you bring a lot of thousands of people here. You got it working? I can't actually check it. Okay, pull out the battery. All right, guys, welcome to Starlink.
Is it not turned on?
It is very much turned on. It is very much turned on, Bill.
I'm not seeing the
Just
network,
put it
though.
flat. See if there's a light on the back of the Starlink. Welcome to Starlink troubleshooting. There should be a blue light on the back of the Starlink. I'll unplug it, replug it. Blue light, right there. There's the blue light. Yeah, we're good. Flip it the other way. That's how it gets signal. It's fine. Put the phone flat. Put the backpack flat. Yeah, cellular has gone to total crap. You have Starlink in middle. I'm in it.
Back up away from the Starlink.
Back up away from the Starlink. What?
10 minutes.
T minus?
Is it countdown?
Yeah, my sister said 10 minutes.
So we're back.
Yeah.
Back again. Shady's back. Grab a friend. Can you see if you can see work from anywhere on there?
Yeah, hold on one second.
Can somebody check for work from anywhere on the network? It should be up in 4 seconds. No one's got it. Guess we're gonna go record it instead of live. What's the countdown at? You see work from anywhere in Wi-Fi?
I was texting. No, we're not seeing it, dude. Turtle lover.
It's not me.
Turtle lover.
There's a mysterious bottle of Kirkland water that showed up. Nope. The light's on. Should be up. Welcome to Starlink, doing Starlink things.
1636 is what we're targeting.
36?
Yeah, 36.
Wait, 16? You mean 1836 or 1636?
636. Sorry.
636.
I was conflating. Excuse me.
But 1636 would be 436, right?
I know. I was mixed up.
Okay.
I was mixed up. It's 1836.
So we have 9 minutes to think of Starlink in store. Nothing?
I still don't have your
Virgin
network.
Voyages, free crew Wi-Fi, or work from home. Nope. Starlink's up. I cannot stop recording. Maybe I can. Because it's definitely on a countdown now.
7 minutes.
7 minutes,
As
okay.
of a minute ago,
I'll be back to you in a moment. All right, so my mom said it restarted. There is no cell signal anywhere here. So I wish I could do it live, but I can't. We got Biggles Travel.
What's up?
We got a short little troll guy who should have gone away in time for, what is that called? The holiday, St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we got Prof Bill, who took over the channel. All right. T-Dog, you want to give us a countdown? What we got? Like 2 minutes? We got like 2 minutes until something happens here. There it is, kind of a little blurry. Don't worry, you will hear it, you will feel it, you will see it. Should have been here 7 hours ago with the dedicated Starlink connection, but Starlink has said, poo-poo your asthma. Poo-poo your asthma. We got like 1 minute and 20. If this is going, it's going. It's one of the safest places to watch it for free. We did take an Uber here from where our cars were parked, but and then we're gonna go drink and watch Piano Bar after this. 2 minutes? Call out? Okay, 2 minutes, 6:35. Is this gonna happen? We do not know. From my heart and from my hands, why don't people understand my intention?
1 minute.
1 minute? Exactly?
1 minute.
We're gonna feel it with this big boy, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
We are gonna feel it with that big boy. Wish I could live stream this for you guys, but all cellular networks are just done. When you bring a couple 100,000 people towards a place that's not used to handling a couple 100,000 people. If you're watching this live, you're probably watching on a much more reliable source than me. Let me go towards the ocean so we can go get people in here. I know where my Starlink is. I'll have to order a new Starlink cable. Order that now. Right after this is done and I get connection. Don't want to be in the water. Don't want to be in the water. Don't want to be in the water. Okay. Here we go. Like, we can see it right. Where the hell is it? Right there, that's it. That's it. It's a little blurry. Might come into focus when it gets lit up.
There it is.
It is going. Oh shit! Wrong place! Holy shit, it's going. Oh, we got that wrong. Whoa. Wrong location there. It is going to the moon. Okay, let's watch it until we can't see it no more. Unless you see this yourself, you think it's the Jewish space lasers. That's all I'm gonna say. That has got a shitload of thrust right there. This is broad daylight too. Wow. It went. Holy crap. We're gonna feel this in a couple seconds. Here it comes. Here we go. Speed of sound. Should definitely be feeling this. Hit people like a wall. Oh, here it's coming. There it goes. And it's done. First stage done. That rumble we're hearing is from 2 minutes ago. Like 18 miles away. That it? I know we're gonna get a second stage. I think we are. You can still see the back of it. Just barely. I don't know what we're gonna get. I'm not gonna aimlessly point up at the sky. Took off. Looks like they made it. I see nothing else. That was totally not it. Heard we were warning out before? Totally not it, but yeah, that was it. The launch of Artemis 2. I wish I could have brought it to you live, but Starlink saying, eh. So this is Richard from NoPantsProfits saying, yeah, that was it. When you're in no pants, the only thing I left to lose is your cotton candy shirt. Have a great one. Bye.